Hello everyone. Today I will be reviewing this mini drone. As you can see, it's a very small drone. It's one of the smallest ones you can actually buy. Its size is actually smaller than my fingers. It's really basic as well. Like, it just has two switches, and these are just minor controls. It doesn't even have a camera. Like, there's no Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, so you can't even connect it. It doesn't even have a power switch, in fact. It's a nano quadcopter I actually found online for like 20. It's only like 20 something dollars. You just plug it in and then you turn on the remote. And I believe we do this. And there it goes. Yes. It's not brake resistant, so do be careful when flying it. It's not water resistant, so it's what's with it? And it's not water resistant, so you can only fly this indoors because that's what it says on the instructions manual. I'm actually going to turn this off. You know, so see, there's no camera, there's just the circuit board, and there's 4 props, just like other drones. This is really just a toy drone because it's really meant for indoor flying. As you can see, this is my room in Anaheim, California, once again in my apartment. You know, it is very, very hot outside right now. It's about 39 degrees, if you want to know. Yes, we are in a heat wave. There's an excessive heat warning in effect. That's the Anaheim reservoir, as you can see, and there's my Siemens washer. There's no dryer because in California it's really, really dry already. So I just hang my clothes on a clothesline, so in case if you want to know. But back to the drone. Really nice though. I just suggested you as a beginner fly this indoors. You can do outdoor flying, but I don't suggest you do it because it's small and it's hard to find, and not even the user manual suggests you fly it outdoors. And the max altitude of this drone is about 35 feet, so and my ceiling is already about 15 feet high, so it's not a really big or powerful drone. And that's about this for this video. Hope you guys enjoy. As always, stay tuned for more videos and stay subscribed.